Do you want to make some easy PayPal cash simply for watching funny videos, movies and trailers? Well, in this video I'm going to show you a brand new app that will allow you to do exactly that, and also free alternatives that will pay you via PayPal or gift cards. Hey, what's up guys, this is Art from artofmarketingblog.com, a place where I help you make money online. And in today's video I'm going to show you a brand new app. First of all, this is an app that you will make points with in seconds for watching funny videos, funny trailers, etc. But this is an iPhone app, so I'm also going to show you free alternatives, and you will be able to do it on an Android as well and on your desktop, so you can do it from anywhere really. But before we're gonna jump into the content of this video, let me just remind you that each time I'm recording one of these videos on my channel right here, I'm giving away $10. And if you want to win $10 right now, please like this video, subscribe to this channel of mine, click on the bell for notifications, and leave me a comment with your PayPal email so I know where to send the money to. And I will be revealing the winner of the previous giveaway in the end of this video. So please stick with me until the end. And also please check out all the links in the description of this video. The first link is my top recommended resource for making money online, and it will make you hundreds of dollars, and all the rest of the links are free downloads and free signups for different resources, everything about making money online and working from home. But right now let's jump into the meat of this video. Let me share my screen and let me show you how to make money watching funny videos and trailers, and you'll be getting paid in PayPal cash. So the first app, this is the brand new app that I was talking about, is called Clip Claps. Now this is an app store for iPhone, right? So you will need to have an iPhone. So if you have an iPhone, great. If not, I'm going to show you some alternatives in a second. But essentially, you're going to download this app and you will be getting paid in points for simply watching different clips, super short clips like 10 to 20 seconds. And then you can exchange these points for either a raffle tickets, which means that you can win even more money, or you can get some PayPal cash, right? So this is the app, you can download it. As you can see, it has a 4.2 ratings and they have 700 ratings, so people are actually enjoying it. And I found their Facebook page, you know, with some clips. So this is the kind of clips that you're going to be watching, like some silly dog videos. As you can see, this video is 10 seconds. They have some you know, like some viral videos as well. This video is 50 seconds, so obviously the longer the video is, the more points you're going to be making. Now I can't really show you the app itself because I have an Android phone, I don't have an iPhone. But this is exactly the kind of videos that you're gonna be watching. So, you know, these kind of funny videos, I'm watching these kind of videos like on Instagram or Facebook anyway. So it's cool to actually be watching these videos, these funny videos and trailers and apps, and actually getting paid for it, all right? So again, this is the kind of videos that you're gonna be watching. You know, normally is either viral videos or trailers for some apps or trailers for movies. So, you know, again, I would be watching this kind of videos anyway, so it's very, very cool to actually get paid for it, all right? So again, Clip Claps, this is the name of the app. Download it and you can get paid via PayPal or exchange whatever you will be earning into raffles and make even more money. Okay, so very, very cool app. I really, really like it. But if you don't have an iPhone, or if you want to maybe do this from your phone, I also have some alternatives. So the first one is App Trailers. You can go to apptrailers.com, or you can go to the App Store, or you can also get it on Google Play. So as you can see, it says watch trailers of hot apps and earn reward points. So you can redeem your reward points with instant gift cards and free cash with money from PayPal. So this is totally up to you. If you want some cash directly into your PayPal, you can do this, or you can get some gift cards. They got different gift cards for iTunes, for Google Play, for Starbucks, for Amazon, so a bunch of different ways. Essentially, what you have to do is watch trailers of hot apps, watch videos, and then collect reward points, and then redeem your points for gift cards. Super, super easy. Again, All you have to do is just watch these apps on your, or watch these trailers of the apps on your phone, and you are getting paid via PayPal. So this is the number one alternative. Number two is perk.com. So they actually have a, a bunch of different ways. So they have Perk TV, they have Wiggle, which is an app, they have a Scratch and Win app. So you can access this from an app or from your laptop or from your computer. So this is the number two, and what I wanted to show you is this site right here, perk.tv. And what you're gonna do is click right here on rewards. Then you're gonna click on watch and earn, and as you can see, you got different points that you can earn. So you get popular offers, free offers, servers, videos. This is the one that we are talking about, tasks and slideshows. So you're going to be earning these points. As you can see, this offer will make you 4 points, this one will make you 4 points, this one will make you 175 points, this one 500 points, this one 3,395 points. So depending on the offer and on the movie or the app or the trailer that you're going to be watching, you're going to be making different amounts, but then you can essentially get paid by exchanging these points. You can get PayPal cash or you can get gift cards. So this is the number two alternative for you. So again, remember, this is as you can see, they got PayPal. They also have actual real prizes that you can get. So perk.tv and perk.com, check both of these up. And I also have the third alternative for you. Go to get.wiggle.com, and this is another app that will allow you to make some money in PayPal cash or in gift cards, simply for watching movies, watching trailers, and watching app trailers, right? So watch live TV, enjoy streaming, get rewards. So this is an app. Obviously, you're going to download it, you're going to be earning points, you're going to be scoring bonus points and getting rewards. As you can see, you can choose gift cards from Amazon, eBay, Walmart, Target, Starbucks, Groupon. You can get cash. You can turn your perk points into cash with Perk Plastic, which is their card. It's like a credit card. So they don't have a PayPal option, but they have a credit card, which is very, very cool. And you can also win prizes. And again, this is available in the App Store, or you can get it on Google Play. So this is my number 3 alternative. You can make a not a ton of cash, but you can make some extra money simply for watching videos, watching movies. You can get paid this way. So it's a pretty cool way, a very, very lazy way. So you don't actually have to do anything. You are probably watching these movies and these apps and these trailers anyway, so why not get paid for it? And getting paid via PayPal is very cool because it's instant money, it's instant cash. All right, so I hope you enjoyed these 4 actually apps and websites that I showed you. And right now, let's see who won the $10 giveaway from my last video. So my last video is this one right here, Quick Money Jobs Home-Based Employee Top 9. So I hope you already saw it. If you didn't see it, I'm gonna link to it somewhere here, and let me copy the URL. Let's go to YouTube Random Comment Picker. Let me paste it in. Let's filter out the duplicates, and let's see. We have 100 comments. All right, 101 comments. Let's start a raffle and pick a random winner. And we got Sakhawat IT. First comment. All right, so congratulations on the first comment and congratulations on winning $10. And if you want to win $10, just like Sakhawat, I think I'm spelling this right, saying this right, just did, please like this video, please subscribe to the channel, please click on the bell for notifications, and leave me a comment with your PayPal email. Very, very important, so I actually know where to send the money to. And remember, I'm doing a $10 giveaway every single time I'm uploading a video to this channel, so keep on coming back and keep on entering the contest, and you will definitely win at one point. All right, so let me just send $10 to the winner right now. Okay, so as you just saw, I just sent $10 to the winner of the giveaway. Congratulations again. Do these 4 things if you want to win $10 as well. And also please check out all the links in the description of this video. Again, the top link is my top recommended resource for making money online and working from home, and all the rest of the links are all free downloads and free signups. Everything about making money online and working from home. If you have any questions, you can always leave them in the comments as well. I'm gonna try to answer as many as I can, and I will see you in the next video. Ciao!